This is one of those VR upgrades you don't think you need until you use it. For under 20 quid, it is a surprisingly good VR upgrade. Let's unbox this accessory that levels up your VR shooting game. Welcome to another quick unboxing with GVader at GV Tech. I have been spending a lot of time with the Meta Quest 3S ever since I received it about a year ago as a Christmas gift. And one of the things that really changes the feel of first-person shooters in VR is a good game controller accessory. Today I'm looking at the Maxx VR Dual Game Guns Kit. I know that's a mouthful. It's a £19 accessory designed to give you a more immersive first-person shooter experience in VR or mixed reality shooter games. So let's open it up and see what it looks like. Right out of the box, you get an instruction sheet and two gun controllers, one for the left and one for the right. These aren't electronics, they are holders that your Quest controller slides into. The packaging is simple, light, and at this price you're basically paying for build quality and ergonomics rather than software or fancy extras. These are made of plastic, but they feel reasonably solid for what they are. Each grip is shaped so your hand sits comfortably and the weight balance feels natural once you have your controllers inserted. The idea here is that instead of holding those little controller sticks, you're holding something that feels closer to a gun, which definitely helps in shooter games. Using this is quite easy. You just insert your Meta Quest 3 or 3S controller into the custom holder, thread the wrist strap through the hole at the bottom, and you're ready to go. Once everything's in place, the controllers feel secure and you don't have to worry about them slipping out mid-game. I have tested these in a few games and the difference is noticeable. In Special Ops and Special Zombies, having an actual gun-shaped grip makes aiming feel more intuitive and your hands naturally sit where you expect them to. It's not a magic upgrade, but it really does make shooting mechanics feel more immersive and satisfying. These work best in first-person shooters and rhythm shooters with guns. Those games all feel more engaging when you are holding something that resembles a gun rather than just the standard controllers. For games without shooting mechanics, they are less useful, but that's expected. So here are the pros and cons. What I like about this accessory is how affordable and simple it is. For under £20, it's an easy way to upgrade your VR experience without extra tech or complicated setups. On the downside, these are purely mechanical holders. There's no haptic feedback, no extra triggers or sensors. It's about feel and ergonomics, not adding new functionality. So who's this for? If you're someone who plays a lot of first-person shooter games in VR, this makes those games feel a bit more natural and immersive. And if you're curious but not ready to spend big on pro-level accessories, this is a decent setup. Overall, this is a clever little accessory that enhances the VR shooting experience without complicating things. If you're used to something like this already, let me know what you think. And if you haven't, it's worth trying out with a couple of your favorite VR shooters. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, be good.